I was browsing through Amazon and I found a car holder, magnetic car holder. I was always thinking if the magnetic ones would be good for your phone. Is it safe enough or not? But this time, because it was Amazon Basic, I trusted it blindly and I went ahead and bought it. It says universal stick on dashboard car cell phone holder. That's it. Okay. It is from China, manufactured. Okay. If you guys want to see, I'll focus it. Cool. Let's unbox this. This is the slit. Perfect. Okay. See what's inside. There's a user manual, like always. Boom. Okay, the beauty is from 3M. Anything from 3M, I'll trust blindly. Okay, these are metal pieces, guys. Okay, and this goes to your car's dashboard. This is flexible rubber with again 3M here, 3M adhesive. This has the magnet. It's very strong, guys. Trust me, it is very strong. Okay, this will go on your phone's back. If you have a case you want to use, this will go inside your case. So if you want to put it on your phone without a case, stick it on your phone back. If you want to use a case, put it inside your case. Don't have to stick it, just inside your case between your phone. Boom. But I wonder my wireless charger will work if this is inside it. That's it, guys. This is like one of the best magnets I have tried. It's very strong. It's very strong, guys. That's it about this. This is the continuation of my unboxing of the car holder, which I bought from Amazon. So, as you guys know, this is the magnet, and I'm thinking where to place it right now. So, probably this would be a good position, is what I am thinking. And remember, guys, the base is flexible. So this is where I'm thinking to put it, so that I can stick my phone here like this. Yeah, this would be perfect. If I'm not wrong, yes, I would like it here. Let's prep the car. One thing, guys, remember, your dashboards are always greasy. So your showroom guys always tend to put all the polishes, and whenever you go for interior cleanings, so there's a lot of polish on your dashboards. So make sure you clean whatever polish is there. Use a proper alcohol based solution to clean it. Like, instantly know the difference. See, this part is greasy, okay, and this is not, just because I used the alcohol based solution to clean it. One more time, and use any alcohol based solution, guys. To be frank, you can even use your hand sanitizers. That is a very good alcohol based solution. See, all the grease is out at this point. You guys can see it is faded and then not greasy enough right now. So this part is good to go for pasting. And do a third wipe using alcohol. This is the main step, guys, or else there's no point of sticking it. The cleaning is really very important, or else it will like just pop out after a few days. So make sure wherever you keep it has a play angle so that you can turn left, right, and you can do all your adjustments. This is where I feel it would be good, so that my phone is out and it has a play angle, and my AC vent is placed like this or like this. It should not be a problem for me. So let's go and paste it. I'm starting from the bottom so that I know how much I have left for the behind, and I'm making sure this starting of the holder comes at this cut of the dash. The first part is done. Going to the back, see the back latch starts from here. This gives a good support on the dash. That's it. And guys, the beauty of 3M adhesive, I'll tell you. So this is the 3M adhesive which came along with the holder. So beauty of 3M adhesive is the hotter your dash gets, the stronger your bond or your gum gets with your dash. So that is the beauty with 3M. So you don't have, it's pretty strong guys, you don't have to think of your phone slipping or falling away because of the adhesive. And done with the installation. So I'll show you my phone. They gave, if you guys remember, they gave us two metal sheets, right? So one is you can use this to stick behind your phone, and this again with 3M, and just place it and your phone will stick here, right? So solution 2 is they gave a scuff plate. So this is the scuff plate which can be placed inside your case. So this is my phone, and I put this plate inside my case, and see, this is how I'm going to use it. Boom. It's very easy guys. You don't have to think of holder, adjustment, nothing at all. It's very beautiful. Just go buy it on Amazon. It's very strong guys, it's very strong. Don't think any speed breaker will let it fall down also. Don't worry about the fit and finish. It's good guys. I suggest anyone who's looking for a good mobile holder, this would be one of the best options. Turn it around, swirl it around, it will be there for you guys. So just place it and leave it. Best option guys. Trust me, Amazon. I started loving Amazon Basics. Best solution for car mobile holder. Added the links for buying this product in the description. Happy shopping guys, have fun, bye.